Welcome to today's trade ideas and signal. Since last 2 weeks, last month, we've been trying to pick trades from all these levels that we have here in the market, and at the same time, we've been seeing how our price has been fluctuating and working around this level. And from what we can see from our analysis previously on all these levels, we are anticipating a buy from this low here. And if we check on daily, we will try and see, we will see that we have a very good and nice OB from this level, and we have another OB on that level on 4 hour, as you can see from within this level. And we moved from that level. We talked about the reason why we were not able to trade from this level because of this liquidity void that price reacted from and go into the highs with it. Then we have this nice OB on 4 hour, which again very nice liquidity void and fair value gap from this level. And we did have some reaction from the level. And we come around to do another analysis from this particular leg from what we've had, from what we get from this level, because of the fact that we have liquidity above this high was taken and price provide us with a shift in the market. And price being closed below this low, which is an indication that we have a flip from this level, and having an MSS from this level to this level, that's a minor market structure shift in the market. And having that level, we already have this level to be our mitigation block and where we can be anticipating price trading away from. And from this level, as you can see, we close below this low and price has been retesting this particular level in the market. So we are locked within this OB and this mitigation block plus OB that we have from within this level. So we can see from this level that this level is particularly holding price from going higher, and we are still trading below this selling point that we have here. This is a mitigation block, and as you can see, we've identified this level. And I picked another trade from this particular level here. This because we have a closure below this low again. And here happens to be another level that we are anticipating to sell from. And I did sell from the point that we have this price coming from that level. And we have some nice reaction from that. And even though I did not have enough time to do analysis that last week, I was actively trading, I mean, taking trades from all these levels. And I did give another trade from this internal structure that we have here because of the minor MSS that we got from this level into this high. And as you can see, we have a nice play out from that level into the highs. And that's a very nice trade for us. Or this particular level, I was anticipating and expecting that price is going to continue into the highs because broke above this high and price is supposed to react from this internal structure that we have here. This is a very nice internal structure in the market where we can be expecting and anticipating price to continue from. But what do we see? We have this level to give us, I mean, the level just gave way to price and I just allow price to move. And this particular level automatically turns to reclaim internal structure claim internal structure, which we could have solved from, but I was potentially waiting for this high, this particular level in the market to kind of solve from. So because of my something and because we have this liquidity, I mean this fair value gap here, so I was anticipating that price is going to come into the level eventually to give us some kind of nice reaction from within the level. So, and that alone is an indication for me not to actually take this trade. But I've been trying to study reclaim OB, reclaim internal structure, reclaim level where we've gotten what is it called from in the past. And uh, from all these levels, we have a nice reaction again from this level. We can see the reclaim order block, the reclaim internal structure rather, gave us a very nice um, movement in the market. And from within this level, we are expecting price to continue because we closed below this low. And this our buy was eventually taken out with this particular level. But what do we have coming from that level again? We have what is it called? From this level, we have I'm spotting a buy, I mean a sell in the market. So because this is a short, it's a very nice something for us that we can capitalize on. But I guess we can just take this low, which can be 24 pips, and that will give us 72 and something like that. That will give us a very nice, very nice 1 to 3 that we can risk. So I guess I'm going to just take that trade. So we can just, yeah, so I quickly go and pick this trade because I sense there is possibility that price can continue to move in this direction. So continuing our analysis, we can see that we are still reacting from this level, even though it takes out all these highs in the market, which are not expected. But actually, I was anticipating because if we check GBP USD, we will see that the high of previous ones was taken out when the market opened during on Friday when we have all these reactions on Euro USD. So since we have this level here now, and we are anticipating what price might actually do from within the market, let me take this out. That's just based on my own expectation, but yet to do the proper analysis that we are expecting in the market. So we can see this level has been taken out, and as you can see, we are still reacting off this level. So if I'm going to say anything because of the kind of reaction we are having from all these levels, this particular leg and this leg, I'm going to establish these two levels as my level of consolidation because from within this level, since we've gotten this reaction, we are not supposed to go be above this high. This should be our strong guy in the market, which should protect price from going up. But for the reason why we come to this level and price takes the liquidity above this level is an indication that anything can happen and this high might have been weakened in the market. So if we have this high and this low, this buy has already been taken out as well, then anything can happen from market perspective. So since we have this level here and price reacts from this level and there is no imbalance from all this leg, and as we can see reaction, price take the liquidity above this high, we are expecting this level to even hold to continue the buy, and we did have some nice reaction which give us the push into this high. But what do we see? We can see a closure below that level, and as we can see price opened this morning reacting to the level still come and give us some kind of closure, and that's the reason why I am selling from within this leg. And from what we have here, if we are to erase all the annotations and try to see what we can capitalize on, and as you can see, we have clarity again because we've been carrying all those analysis from last month. And from what market is doing from this level, the only thing I can pick out and debate from all this level is the fact that we are within a consolidation from this low here to this high. And as you can see, price has been ranging within this level for some time now. So price has been ranging from within this level for some time. So we are yet to break it down above or below. But we have some nice reaction from this level. And what we are expecting is this particular level to continue to send price lower. Or this see from this level, we see that the nice reaction we are having is supposed to send price lower and we have something. So we can establish the level to be our consolidated level moving forward. So even though if we want to take this level to be our consolidation level going forward, then we have to look closely at what price is doing on higher time frame. And as you can see, we left this consolidation in the market, and even the consolidation in the market, excuse me, will go into the high, and as you can see, we can see our price begin to range again. But from within this level, we can see what price is doing. We have a shift, and the shift is supposed to send price lower. This internal structure was supposed to send price lower. And indeed, what do we have? We have a nice reaction, and the liquidity below this low was taken, and it went ahead to take out the liquidity above this high. The only thing we can still be expecting from this level is this leg creating a shift, and price can still continue to move into the high. So until we go above or below this level, we have to be very, very careful in the market. And this level alone has taken a lot from my account. This level alone has taken a lot from my account. But nonetheless, that's the reason why proper risk management is very, very paramount when we are trading, because if not, we will not be able to withstand all the something that the price is bringing on. So, that being said, we have to be very, very careful and try to see what price is doing. So if we check through this level, we can see there is a consolidation even on weekly. On a monthly, we try to check, we can see also that we are within a massive consolidation in the market, as you can see. But for now, we're going to stick to weekly, you can see. So either the above or below this level, we're closed below, then that will be our determining factor whether we're going to continue to sell with the market or we're going to buy with the market. And don't forget, on daily we have buying level from this leg here. So anything can happen. We have to be optimistic and at the same time be cautious the way we make our trades in the market. So we have to be scared of this level, allow it, but nonetheless, we are expecting some kind of a nice reaction from within this leg. Yeah. So anything can happen. Hmm. Anything can happen from within this level. Then from there, continue to move and flow with the market. So nonetheless, the only thing that I can see from what price is doing currently is this particular level that I believe we trade above this high, and this is supposed to be our impulsive leg moving forward, but there is no imbalance. There is no the little imbalance that we have here. This leg has already closed it out, so there is no imbalance. There is no fair value, and price continue to move. And from this level, we can see price take this low, which is an indication that price is willing to do what to reverse and from within this level. So if peradventure you watch the video late, we can be expecting and anticipating some kind of nice reaction from within this level. So for conservatively, we can wait for this leg to close below this low. Then if price close below this low, whatever internal structure it creates from this level is still another level that we can potentially sell from. So here will be our internal structure where we can be anticipating, and here is mitigation or other block, whichever we want to call it. So in the market where we can still sell from. So these are the two levels that we'll be anticipating. Personally, I've taken a short position from this leg to this leg here. So that's 24 pips in the market, and that will give us 720. That's 72 pips return if we have to go with 1 to 3 trades in the market. So it will be below the level of our established consolidation. So that will be my trade, at least for now. Have a lovely and a profitable day. God bless us all. Amen.